Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today in this 7th episode of our sketchbook challenge, we'll be doing a mandala on watercolor background. So before we start the video, before we start drawing our mandala, please make sure you have subscribed to the channel and turn on bell notifications so you don't miss out any upcoming videos. So let's start our mandala today. So the first thing we will do is we will create a watercolor gradient background, and then when it dries up we will draw a mandala over it using our black fine liners. So first of all, we don't want the color to go over next pages, right? So we will separate out this page from the rest of the book like this, right? The book on one side and this page on one side, we will separate out like this, and then we will put a masking tape over this dotted line, alright, so that our mandala, the background, stays on the paper only and it should not go beyond the dotted line. And yes, also keep a blank sheet under this so that the table doesn't get the color. Now very carefully apply this masking tape over the dotted line. And press it nicely so that the color doesn't leak. So now our paper is ready. So while doing a background in watercolor, we use less of color and more of water, alright? So it will be very watery, transparent color. First we will prepare our page for coloring by applying a layer of water over it, clean water, so that the page becomes moist nicely and the colors will spread easily. So with a flat brush, apply water all across the page. Now using a round brush, we will start adding the colors. You can choose any colors that you like. Start with the corners and keep adding more color towards the center, and then spread it out nicely. To blend the two colors, you can use just water over the brush and then you can blend them. So create a nice background like this with darker corners and lighter in the center. After it is ready, we will wait for it to dry completely, and after it has dried, then we will remove the masking tape. So the direction for removing the tape will be, you will pull it away from the colored portion, alright, and not towards it. Otherwise the paper will rip off and it will damage your paper. So pull it away from the main design. And like that we have our background ready. So for our mandala today, we will be drawing a 10-degree grid. First we will draw a 1 centimeter circle in the center. And now we will draw a simple petal starting from the center all the way to this circle. So one petal like this will take 3 lines of space. The designs for our mandala today will be very simple and very open, like a very moderately detailed, so that the gradient background in the mandala will show up well. Next we will add a regular petal on top of these two, again in 3 lines of space. The circle for it will be 1.6 centimeters. Now in the space which is in between two of these petals, we will draw a circle and then darken the spaces which is below it. Here is a close-up. Now inside these petals we will add just a simple dot and line. On top of these petals we will add a pointed one. The circle for it will be 2.6 centimeters. For the details of these pointed petals, we will draw a straight line in the center. On one side we will draw horizontal lines, and on the other side we will add circles. And then darken the corners. Here is a close-up. Next we will add a lotus petal on top of these two. The circle for it is 3.5 centimeters exactly. Next, for the details, we will add a upside down teardrop shape in the center. And then we will darken it completely. And in the space around it, we will add just plain simple dots. Now we will add a big pyramid which will start from these points and touch all the way to the final circle. Like this. Now for the details of this shape here, we will draw a curved line like this. And then fill it up with smaller lines. Next we will add one more curve. And we will add small petals inside. Draw smaller ones inside and darken them. And also darken the empty spaces in between. Like this. And now for this empty portion we will add curves and dots. Alright. So this will be the final detail part for this pattern. Our mandala here is complete. So I hope you all enjoyed the video, and I can wait to see your mandalas also. If you are posting on Instagram, then please do tag me so I'll check it out. So thank you all for watching till the end. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, and please comment below what you liked most about this mandala, and also if you have any suggestions for our future mandalas, then you can drop them in the comments. Also share this video with anyone who would like to draw the same. So thank you all for watching, and see you all in the next episode.